What's the meaning of boathook? Boathook. Boathook.
Boathook. Boathook. A boathook is a long pole or staff with a hook at the end that is used to pull or push boats. It is typically made of wood, aluminum, or lightweight composite materials and is an essential tool for anyone who spends time on the water. The hook at the end of the boathook is designed to grab onto a ring or other attachment point on a boat to help maneuver it in tight spaces or to pull it closer to shore. Boathooks are used by boaters, fishermen, mariners, and others who work or play on the water. They are a simple yet indispensable tool for anyone who needs to move boats in and out of the water.